Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your TanTan app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And here you're looking for tandem app in this list here. Or just click here on search here. So then here at TanTan app here, so when it's going to show for you, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage is here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then you search for TanTan app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.